Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Sharp TV supports Miracast or its built-in screen mirror mode. This matters because only compatible TVs accept a direct wireless stream. Next, make sure both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Different bands can block discovery. Once done, open the Sharp TV's input or network menu and enable screen mirroring. Leave that screen visible while you proceed to your source device to initiate the connection. From your phone or computer, begin the pairing step. On Windows, click Project or press Win+K and choose the Sharp TV listed as a wireless display. Miracast uses Wi-Fi Direct, so this is a direct peer connection. On Android, open Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View, then select the Sharp TV. Once your device shows the TV, accept the pairing prompt on the TV. This authorizes the connection. After acceptance, the devices negotiate resolution and audio routing, and you should see your screen appear. Finalize by adjusting picture size and audio output so the stream fills the screen and sound comes from the TV. On Windows, use display settings to change scaling if needed. Make sure the TV remains on the mirroring input and don't sleep the source device. If the connection fails, reboot the TV and the source device, update both firmware and OS, and retry. These steps clear discovery and driver problems. If wireless still won't work, use an HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback, but updating and rebooting usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.